All right, we started this section of the homework solving quadratic formulas with the quadratic formula with number 57. So there's a recording on 57 that includes how to get this formula and the Pop Goes the Weasel song to help us remember it. And this messy formula, whatever that comes out to, is the solution for x that makes this equation true. So the first thing you need to do is get that in standard form, which it already is. It has the x squared terms together, the x terms together, and the constants together, all on the left side. So I got those three terms on the left side, a 0 on the right. That's probably the most important thing to say. Make sure you got a 0 on the right. That's a common error. It's already set up though, so that's nice. So what we need to do is identify the a, the b, and the c and plug them into this ugly formula. So our a in purple is the coefficient of x squared. So that is equal to 3. And our b is the coefficient of the x, or the linear term, which is -3. And our c is the constant. So that's a -4. So make sure you have all those constants together on the left-hand side again. So it's set equal to 0. All right, so plugging in my a, b, and c, I'm going to rewrite this whole thing with parentheses. So I can just plug in my a, b's, and c's, and I don't forget any pieces. So I know my a is 3. Wait, why do I have that in purple? I think I messed up. I'm sorry. That should be green. The a is green, equals 3. There we go. So my a's are 3, 3, and my b is a -3. So I plug in my -3 here and here, and my c is -4. So I'm plugging in here. So I'm just plugging in, copying the equation from above, but plugging in the numbers. And that will give me the two solutions that make this equation true. All right, so now to evaluate that. So I have -3, which gives me a +3, plus or minus square root of, and then the -3 squared gives me a +9. And then I have -4 times 3 times -4. So it's a minus a negative is going to give me a positive. And then I have 4 times 3 times 4. I'm going to multiply the 4's together to get 16, and then multiply it by 3, and I get 18, 3, 4, 48. Probably should have known that. And then 2 times 3 is 6. And then simplify under the radical as much as you can to get a radical 57. So can I break apart that 57? I'm not sure. I don't think I can, but let's check it. I know it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's divisible by 3. It's 3 times 19 gives me 57, but 19 is prime and 3 is prime. So I can't break down that 57 any further, so I'll just leave that. So there's not much else I can do with this. The 3 and the 6 have a common factor of 2, but since there's no factor of 2 in the radical 57, there's a term without. I need to have a common factor to all terms in the entire fraction, not just numerator denominator. Since there's that plus and minus, this plus and minus here means I have to have a 2 in this term and this term, which I do not. So I cannot reduce this any further. So that is my final answer, as messy and ugly as it is. That is the final answer. It's not going to get prettier if I split it up. So I'm going to say that as my final answer. I will still split it up for understanding, making sure that we know that this is actually two solutions. One of them is x equals 3 plus radical 57 over 6, and one is x equals 3 minus radical 57 over 6. But again, we cannot simplify those any further. So even splitting it up, it still looks like that. All right, that's as simplified as it gets, and that is number 61.